When I was 13 years old, and my first business, I had a hot dog cart. My takeaway today was that the children want to learn. They were asking questions, asking not just questions about me, but about their project, and that's what was really amazing to me today.
So today we're here to talk about the Bodega project. When you hear the word Bodega, everybody thinks about a store or a grocery store. But technically, the word Bodega came and started off in Spain, and it meant wine cellar. We want our kids to age like fine wine by placing the right elements. Through this program that we designed is introducing them to entrepreneurs so they could see that, hey, there's an option, I could do this, and I could overcome many different obstacles.
One of the kids that was involved in the first cohort is now leading the second cohort. He's also been generous enough to volunteer his time towards the STEM program that we have at the Lighthouse. And I think that really epitomizes what the Bodega program can do, is bringing it full circle.